Hi everybody, this is a Hoover Complete Performance Vacuum Cleaner. It comes with an instruction manual. You have your accessories, pet upholstery tool, crevice tool, and the extension wand with the words lock and unlock, as well as to pull this extension wand. Twist it to lock, twist it to unlock. Then you have your handle, the door with an indicator that's currently green, and when it turns to red it tells me I need to change the bag. And to change the bag, I press down on this, pull this out, and then put a new one right back in. Then you have the main unit itself, and on the main unit you have your exhaust filter, and all you do, pull this out, you can remove the filter, clean it, put that right back in. There is a secondary filter, and to remove this I just lift this up so that it comes out of this area right in there, and then I just pull this out like so, and then I can remove the filter to clean it. Now to put it back, I match up these two areas right here with it's hard to see in the video. I don't know how to do it so that I have enough lighting, but there's this groove right here, this groove right here, and then you have another one here, and I just slide this to fit that groove. There's another one here that corresponds to this part right in there. So I just match up this part, and that part. Okay, I'm sorry it's hard to see on the camera, on the video. And it all snaps into place. So I learned how to do that from the instructions in the manual, and I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of how to put this filter back in. It takes a little bit of doing. Okay, you have your carpet height adjustment, so I can choose low carpet, medium, or high carpet. There's also hard floor. Okay. step on this, to pull back. And to remove, I just press this in. That removes this, and then I can attach the accessory devices, whether I want to use the crevice tool or the pet upholstery tool. Or if I need to use the extension wand, like so. Okay. And to put this back, I just place it in until I hear a click. Okay, very nice. Hear a click and you know it's in. Okay, to put the door on, excuse me for a minute while I move the table out of the way. To put the door on, I simply attach these two, insert these two right into here and here. And then to open, I just press and pull that out. You have your power button and the cord, which I measure from here going all the way to the end of the cord to be about 24 feet 11 inches, almost 25 feet long. Alrighty, now put the handle on. Very simple. I just match this part to that part. Like that, like such. There's a button here and it snaps into place. If I wanted to remove the handle for whatever reason, right there, that button, I just use something like this, the pointed end, push in that hole, pushes the button in, and then you can pull the handle out. So if I ever wanted to remove the handle, that's how I remove the handle. Okay, so there you have that. If you will give me a moment, I'm gonna plug this in and we'll give it a little test run. I'm going to raise this a little bit. Okay. To use, step on the handle, step on the pedal rather. Just press the power button. and I can put the accessories right onto here. So this will fit into here. And then you place this I'm going to move this down a little bit, excuse me. And I just place this right into there. I hope this gives you a little bit of an idea about this Hoover vacuum cleaner. Thank you for bearing with me. Have a nice day. Bye.
This is the Hoover Complete Performance Advanced Bagged Vacuum. And this is the first time I'm trying it and turning it on.
My new vacuum arrived today. This piece is broke. Still broke.
This is the vacuum I just bought and took out of a box. I put it on the floor and the wheel comes off. It fell out. Brand new vacuum. It took me 5 minutes to unpack.